What's going on, you guys? So it's about time to get back to the build. Last time we got the back of the car all situated and bolted on here. So the next step is we need to put the tube bars that are going to go from the upper section of the chassis here down to the frame rails. And that's what we're going to get done today. So first thing we're going to do, get all this stuff stripped up off the back of the car. Before we get started on all that, I wanted to show you guys the new merch we have. It's all up on the store right now. So these are the Shane Whalley Racing brand shirts right here. And then the Reckless over Reckless lightweight hoodies. Super comfortable. I'm going to take this off before I get to work because this is actually really nice and comfy and I don't want to ruin it. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have our tubes cut. Next step is to get them lined up and tacked onto the car. So basically what we're gonna do is start by cleaning all this up here. We gotta clean the paint off, and then we're just gonna put a small tack on here that's gonna be real easy to break off when we're done. So we're gonna get this tacked up here. After that, we'll take our bar here that we have bent and cut. We're gonna line that up on there. Get that lined up where it needs to be, and then we're going to put a small tack on this bar down here so it'll be easy to cut off. Now once that's all held in place, we're going to put a couple tacks from the bar to the plate that will be up there. After that's tacked on, we're going to go ahead and cut this tack and cut the tack off the plate holding it to the chassis, and then we'll be able to take this whole bar out. This will be lined up right where we need it. Then we're going to take it over to the bench, weld it all the way around. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have our plates welded onto our bars. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tack it back up in here and weld the bottom onto the chassis. Alright, so our down bars are installed. They're welded onto the chassis. Now the one thing we didn't do yet, we didn't weld the actual plates to the chassis, and that's for the same reason as to why none of the cage plates are welded to the chassis yet. And that is because TIG welding to chassis metal can be a real bitch. So I'm gonna wait until I got my buddy's MIG welder he's gonna let me borrow, and then I'll weld all the plates in all at the same time. So all the down bars back here, we have the plates up there that'll get welded in. And then while we're at it, we will go ahead and weld in the floor plates. Alright, so that's going to be it for this one. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, follow the build along, and head on over to ShaneWhaleyRacing.com. We have some sweet merch like this shirt, this nice comfy hoodie. A couple other designs up there too. We have a dirt drop design, DTFSU America design, so links down in the description, and until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.